Come on. Come here. Dog's being crazy. But what's up? I didn't get the best sleep last night, but got a couple things to do today. Want to have a good day and just try to vlog more in general. Yeah. So let's see what the day has in store. Now we in the car wash, right, bro? Yeah, that's right. Get it squeaky clean. Got the car wash done. Doing some things this morning, hanging out with Tom. What's up, brother?
What's up?
We got some lunch, man. It's a little bit of a splurge day. We're just hanging out, the boys. Got these cheese curds and some of their chili dogs. It's about to be awesome. It's a very beautiful day here. Oh, look at that. Heck yeah. It's gonna be a very nice day today. The sun's out, but it's super windy. We were at the car wash trying to clean the car. We didn't even have to put it in the dumpster. It was just flying out everywhere. But yeah, let's grub, y'all. Let's see what these cheese curds are about. They look pretty good, man. Heck yeah. Well, they're good, bro. Nice and hot and cheesy. All right. Look, I already took a bite, but whatever. It's time to see how this glizzy is, bro. Can't go wrong with that chili on top. It's good as heck, man.
2 for $5.
Yeah, they're 2 for $5 at Dairy Queen, man. Go get you some. 2 for $5 glizzies. Cheers. Yo, we just finished up some lunch, man. That was good. I don't know. They must have charged us extra or something, which was crazy, but that's another story.
Yeah.
But it was super good, though. Like I said, I got some stuff to do tonight. I don't know if Tommy's going to be on the journey tonight with us, but we're going to do some stuff with the fam tonight a little bit later in the evening, so it should be fun. We'll see you there. Just out here on a walk with the little fellas. Already panting, we just left. Getting all tangled, nice. Come on. You hear that bird? It's coming to get you. Ziggy, this way. This way, Zig. This way. This way. There you go. Come on. Come on. As you can tell, it's windy by my hair. Just need a haircut. Come on, Zig. Come on, Zig. Ziggy's being slow today. Woody's already way ahead. It's a little bit chilly today, so that shouldn't be an issue for him. Oh man, that's beautiful sun. Really nice day altogether. I can't wait for the next weekend or so. I have a trip planned up. It's gonna be a surprise, I tell you guys, but I don't want to spoil it. But it's gonna be a really fun trip. Some hiking. Come on, Zay. Ziggy, come on. Of course they're gonna hear other dogs and go crazy. They just want to play. Take them to a dog park soon, maybe. I just feel like they'd get trampled on with all the big dogs. Because these little guys, We're so used to other small dogs. If they seen a big dog, I think they'd freak out. Come on, bro. They're already intimidating another dog. And it's a big one. So maybe I'd take back what I say. I think they'll do just fine. Come on, little boy. Keep up with those short little legs. You got this. Woody's already way ahead. Come on, Zig, you got this. Keep going. Oh, this will be the outfit for tonight. Gonna hang out with the fam. Gonna have a good time. Looking as handsome as ever. Nah, I'm just kidding. But we're gonna have a game night. Just stepped on the scale. Whoops. All right, y'all. We on the way to have a game night with the fam. It's a beautiful, sunny day. I keep iterating on that, but I'm just glad to have another day. We got us in the car, Abby, Emma, Tom, my cameraman Tom, and then Steffi, her boyfriend, and Jamie are following us in their car. So it's gonna be quite a bit of folks, but we're gonna have a good night. We're gonna do maybe some Cards Against. Did I get the bingo set? Oh shit. That's okay. Should we go back for the Uno? Nah, I think Paul has Uno as well, right?
I don't even know where I set them.
That's okay. I think Paul has Uno. But yeah, we're gonna play a couple different games here.
It had a golden green stripe on it, but Steph has
It's just like, I don't know. Do you guys think it's more cold or more warm today?
I think it's fine.
It's like, it's an awkward,
Chilly.
it's a little bit chilly. It's like comfortable enough to use the heat or without it, but I don't know. I get cold easy for some reason. Shoot, the last time we got together, like just us family members like this, it's been how long now? A couple of years. I think the last thing we did over there was, I can't quite remember. But, changing that tonight.
It's been even longer if you include the parents.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, Mom. Last time we had everybody together with Mom and Dad, it's been quite a long time. Shit, I can't remember the last time. Sorry, bro. I don't know why that guy couldn't have just went around me, but it's all good. Hopefully Josh keeps me in his line of sight going up here. Yeah. Oh, guys, look at that. It's 6:16 p.m. It's still quite a bit light out for about another hour. I'm so glad we set ahead again, man. Sprung ahead. I don't know why we do this fall behind stuff anyways, man. It's kind of just annoying if you ask me. There's like always the first week when we fall behind or like spring ahead is like I'm always tired and like feel like I'm just out of it. But now I'm finally better, so we're good. What up, man? Say hi to the vlog, Paul.
What up?
Say hi, Anise.
Hey.
Just got here at Anise's house and Paul's. You know, we're gonna have some fun and play some games. We got Cards Against Humanity out. Did I say it right? Cards Against Humanity.
Against Humanity. Hornymanatee.com.
We're just waiting for the rest of us to get in. Yeah, these chairs are. Be careful.
Let her
Well,
rip
I gotta lose a little bit of weight to fit 250 criteria.
207. There you go, step to feet. Who wants to see? What room?
I'm just doing.
Oh, this? Yeah.
Hey, whose arms are bigger?
So it's like, where do I go?
Whose arms are bigger?
Can't even see yours.
I can't see yours. You looking small. Look, this dude. Mine's are just chubbier, bro. Damn.
Got some definition.
You now look at you, bro. You ain't got like no fat on them boys.
I mean, you know,
See, he's small these days, ain't he?
I'm a little feller.
Emma's hanging out with the kitty cat. Henry, come here, Henry.
Henry.
Like, welcome to the fucking old folks home.
So Ziggy's absolutely crazy, okay? Because we've been taking him out to come for a ride. So Woody hops in the car, but Ziggy probably thinks he's coming home right away. Because he just goes to the car. He's like, I don't want to go in. He just turns around and goes in the house.
Oh, it's not a super car ride kind of dog.
No, he ain't. I'll probably have Josh sit here because I
I'll let someone else
want to swap sides.
go through.
Jamie, what's up?
Like you never see me.
And there's Henry, he's getting excited. Steph, Josh, he got Abby. That's right. It's always nice to get out a little bit and hang out. Yeah, sorry about that. He said he would come.
Hey, nice to meet you. Likewise.
There's Joshua.
They're all their oldest brother.
Hey, nice to
That's
These
right.
guys.
There we go. So nice and fun. Come here, Henry. What's her name? Morgana.
Yeah, there's sloppy joes here. Eggs, napkins, cheese. This is just top potato dip. This is some dip she made. Goes good with the Doritos. Yeah. There's sloppy joes in the crock pot. Goes good with Doritos. Yeah.
Wait,
Top potato and Doritos. I like that. Whatever you want. There's water in there. Otherwise, we can have someone come downstairs. We got Dr. Pepper, Diet Mountain Dew.
wait, here's how we gonna work this. Show us what you made here. Paulie, you always got the food on deck.
Well, you always got to have food, man.
That's right.
So sloppy joes in the
Oh
crock
man,
pot.
let's
Yeah.
go. That looks good.
So normally we got more than food than this season, but we
Heck
got
yeah.
sloppy joes, crock pot,
All right.
There's more cupcakes in the fridge.
and these made cupcakes.
Nice.
homemade.
Oh, look at those.
I've got that's a dip, goes good with
Nice.
Doritos. It's got Rotel, sour cream, cheese.
Look,
Then we got top
cupcakes.
cheese.
Top potato, chips, cheese, knuckle bump. Thank you, Paul.
Yeah.
Knuckle bump. Thank you, Anise. We appreciate that. Yeah, man, they always treat us right. Anise is awesome. So if you're watching this, we love you. Even though she's right here. Yeah, these are all like shuffled out wrong. I must have put them away. Josh on his throne, give a thumbs up. Hey, looking awesome.
Oh. Okay.
Setting up,
Can you bring me a napkin,
playing some Cards Against.
baby?
Yeah.
When he started recording, I almost started choking.
It's been fun. Josh, how you having it? Or how's your night going, Josh? Pretty good. Steph, how's your night going?
Good.
Abby?
Fine.
Jamie?
Peachy.
Emma?
Good.
Anise? Paul?
What's up?
Tom?
What's up?
All right.
Kyle?
Just got done with some Cards Against Humanity. That was crazy, man.
Yeah.
I haven't laughed like that in a long time in some of these card combos. It's pretty funny, but you see something behind me? What? Oh, the cat?
Up on the
It's
thing.
watching me.
Okay, now we're gonna place you right.
I thought it was crazy. We just seen, we're sitting here telling ghost stories, and we just seen something come up the dang steps like a light.
Here you go first.
Yeah, he's got a
Okay, I don't know what that was.
Well, at least the door's not open.
Yeah, no kidding. All right, let's go in here. That was weird though. It came up midway and stopped.
What the fuck?
Anissa, go, go, go! I'm not Paul. I'm leaving. Come on, Anissa. I'm leaving. I'm never coming back.
I swear on my children.
Paul,
cut it the first time.
that was
They
creepy.
were doing something.
You heard it.
So I didn't say
What did it
anything.
sound like to you?
A scream.
A girl screaming, correct?
But I thought maybe they were making a noise because then I.
Paul, come on.
You coming with? You coming with?
We get it, Jen. This is crazy.
I was down there.
You're so funny, Kyle. You left her in the dust.
Yeah, you did.
When I
Just
vivid-
like your brother did to
When
me.
I'm
Yeah, no
vividly
lights.
hearing a ghost, I don't want to be near it.
She has no lights on this. You're
Okay,
probably.
Paul, you first.
If it's an actual ghost, it can't
Wait,
hurt
wait.
you.
Paul first then.
Go, Paul.
Paul, you go first.
Yeah, you go. And I'll go just to prove it wasn't
And
me.
then you second. Okay. And then you.
Come on.
Hey, I don't know if I'm gonna. I'll go. Yeah. If something touches me, I want it to touch you.
Ain't nothing in here.
Who was screaming though, Paul? Who was playing that
I
noise?
have no
Is that where
idea.
you heard it in here?
No one. Well,
It was in the
I heard it
hall.
here. I heard it here.
Unless somebody was outside.
Y'all dumb.
You're so.
What is that?
You stupid. There's something going off in here.
I don't know.
Paul, do you hear that
If you're
girl?
here, make a noise.
No, I'm done. Paul, stop. I ain't doing that.
Okay, I heard something, and I'm
Hear
not
it?
lying.
Jamie, shh.
I'm not lying.
Do it. If you're here, make a noise. Was that you?
No, like,
You're messy.
Paul, stop.
Something's going.
He's messy.
There's a speaker going on. Here.
No
Come here.
speaker in there.
There isn't. He's messy.
What?
You're so
He's
bad
not.
at lying.
You're bad at lying.
You guys, I did not even see him do anything when I was upstairs. There's no speaker in here.
You're a terrible
The
liar.
only way you can hear something is
Okay.
through the
True.
vent. You can hear if they were saying something down through the vent.
Bro. Paul, bro, she just, yeah, bro.
Okay, let's get out of here. Let's go. Let's go. 2 hours. Let's go. I don't want to be in there.
I'm sorry, Denise. I don't know. What is that, though?
I don't know. There's no. Like I said, unless he was yelling through the vent to the downstairs, I don't know what it was.
I literally almost have that back, bro.
Bro, that was wild, man.
Emily snuck up on her.
I just so for context, the only reason I went down there is because we were all sitting here ghost hunting. And right here on the back wall, I thought I seen a light come up and stop. And that's what made us go down there. So yeah, that was crazy. All right, so what we're doing now on top of everything, Paul, what was it, a couple years ago now?
Last summer.
Last summer, yeah. Paul was up at the abandoned cemetery or whatever. And there's a video. I could try to have him send it. So we'll have to see where it is. But on the video, you heard and seen something huge in the trees, didn't you?
Yeah, like it sounded like a big owl, but it was really huge.
It was huge, man.
Trees were shaking.
Let's try to get that video. So we're probably going to go up there and just see what's up. You know, a nice little nature outside anyway. It's nice and windy. So we're going to see what's up over there. All right, so we finally made it. Whoops. All right, so we finally made it up over here. Is there even a name for this place, Denise? I don't know, but it's super beautiful with the wind. You know, a little nice nighttime walk as well. You know, walking in a cemetery, some weirdos, but it's cool. There's a creepy factor to it. So. Everybody watch.
Watch out for that stick.
Hey, everybody please watch your feet. You don't need a broken ankle or nothing. Be very careful where you step, okay? There's a big stick right there. Yeah. So this is it. I wonder the real history on this place. That'd be really interesting. Paul, where was that big owl thing?
You'll see, there's little.
Watch your footing. What's that? So watch your footing. So what I find cool about a place like this is I want to know the history, man.
Yep.
Like,
Broken one of these little old headstone style.
this is just sad, bro. Like, so much history.
We heard that big thing.
See somebody touch the headstone.
And there's like a big one back here.
There's one against the fence there.
Yeah, I could see it back in there. It is very cold in this little.
Yeah, it's cold, man.
You know, this is sad. You know what I find sad is I never want to be. That's just sad about that. It's sad, man. It all be resting. It breaks my heart, though. They need to like invest in this place and put more.
Child something.
Does it have a date?
There's one down there you said. It's like a mother child.
I wish there was a date. Yeah.
1835 to 1864.
Indian War.
35 to 64.
Indian War, it says.
Charles E. Pittman.
Does that mean he was in the war?
Yeah, it means he was in the war. There was a flag here.
I have to say thank you for your service.
Coming in at 1835. Whatever.
Really, man, that's crazy.
And then there's one against the fence down there.
I know, I told you. It is cold. Yeah, that's sad, man. Oh, very much so. Thank you for your service. Yeah, no. I wish I was, you know, on the consoles. Like, they should really invest in this place and put all new stuff.
Oh, that's a tree. It must be down
Wow, we're dorks. And niece was trolling me. I ran into a tree stub. How old is this one? Is this one?
Yeah. Right here. Wife died 1887.
Really?
It says September 5th, 1883, aged 38 years old.
Wow.
Matilda B. Oh, there's two. Rachel and then Matilda.
1800s.
August 6, 1870.
Wow.
Died at 16 years.
Yeah, it was like a mom and a daughter.
16 years old.
You know, rest in peace for sure.
So yeah, this is it.
Yeah, that's crazy, man.
This is sad.
That's a lot. That's over 100 years. Like, that's insane.
But even people knew about this. You know that. Like, yeah.
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 Like, I genuinely wish they would like revamp this place. You know,
Yeah.
over 100 years. Yeah. No kidding.
Like all these buildings around it, but they can't obviously build on it.
Yeah, with all these trees here, man. Yeah.
So that's it.
That's creepy. Not creepy, more. This place has so much history, man. Paul, the one back there is the 1880s.
Yeah.
Over 100 years. I'm already ready to go. I'm cold. Doing okay, Tom? Where we're going. Yeah, that's what I was hoping to see. Like, I guarantee you some huge owls like to live here in the mating season. Of course. Okay, Steph. What is that? She was playing though. Alright. Creepy laughter. It's so cold right now.
I know, my fingers are.
I think I didn't know a jacket. Hey, James. That was crazy because the one back there was 1880. 1834. Wow. They need to revamp this place and find these people, you know? Alright, y'all, that's gonna be it for today. But before you leave, I just want to thank everybody that watches these vlogs, you know. I always iterate and say I have more vlogs coming and stuff, and I kind of went through I wouldn't say rough patch or anything like that, but I would say I had a lot of thinking to do. You know, I like doing vlogs and I like gaming and stuff, and I was starting to make some gaming content, but I decided to pursue on this YouTube channel primarily vlogs and stuff. You know, I like making the content out in the real world and all that. I'm not saying gaming is bad, because I love gaming, and but I just to sit down and stream and stuff, I found out that's just not really my style. You know, I just like to be out there in the real world, experiences, videos, and all that good stuff, man. So I like the everyday vlogs more, and I feel like you guys will appreciate it more. Because, as I was saying, I kind of hit a little bit of a rut. A rut as in what content I want to pursue on this YouTube channel. So I feel like I'm thinking more clearly on that. But, what I was going to say, what was I going to say? Lost my train of thought. Dang, I'm tired. Dang. I was doing a lot of research and stuff for like long term of the channel and everything. Hopefully I get big someday. But if that happens, that'd be dope. But I was looking at, you should really find your niche and kind of stick to it. So I think my niche is like doing vlogs, obviously. You know, I love being funny. I love making the content. I love making people laugh. Most of all, I just love me and myself in these vlogs, and I feel like the right people will come that enjoy the vlogs. And so I feel like if I'm gaming and stuff like that, I don't want it to be like a job to do this stuff. I just want to be able to turn on the camera and talk to you guys. So that's kind of where I'm at, you know, just trying to find a niche and what I want to pursue, so that we're full steam ahead. I mean, trying to give a couple vlogs out a week and stuff. Hopefully the algorithm pushes this stuff out there to the world. But I'm having a great time with this, making this content for you guys and stuff. it's just gonna be fun to be able to look back and see myself evolve and grow. That's what I'm most excited for. Yeah, and this summer I got a lot of stuff coming up, like yard work. Try to film as much of that as possible. That would be fun. Take you along on lawn mowing jobs, stuff like that. I love doing landscaping, and I just love making yards and God's green earth look beautiful. So, but yeah, I'm tired. I'm gonna get some sleep. It was a good Saturday. I'm excited for what tomorrow has in store for me. But again, I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope you guys have a great night. See you in the next one.